is a dish that I had in France last year and it was absolutely delicious. And what I loved about it more is there's very little ingredients. It's a salmon carpaccio with pink peppercorns and orange zest. Now I'm going to place these peppercorns into a mortar and pestle. So just crush those. And you don't want to make it into a paste, but essentially you're just opening up the berry, and that's what a peppercorn is. Just like that. Look at that gorgeous colour. Now let's talk about the salmon. Now this is just a nice large piece of salmon. This is about 400 grams. I've pin boned it and I've taken the skin off and I placed it in the freezer for about 40 minutes. This just firms up the fish a little, which makes it much easier to cut, so you've got control. When you're making a carpaccio, and usually you'd know the famous carpaccio with beef, you're looking for very thin slices. They almost need to be translucent because the texture in this is what makes it such a special dish. So I'll just remove that from the cling wrap, and you do need to add cling wrap to it before you add it to the freezer so it doesn't get too wet. And then just with a very sharp knife, we're going to thinly slice it. You can see how it's just a little frozen. It just makes it so much easier to slice those very thin translucent pieces. So I'm going to continue this, take your time doing it, and then I'm just going to completely cover this plate in one thin layer of this salmon. Now you can see that I've just filled up the plate with these beautiful thin slices of salmon. So I'll bring our peppercorns over and we'll sprinkle just a small amount over the fish, making sure that's evenly distributed, so every time that you pick up a piece, you get that perfect mouthful of fish and peppercorn. And now for the orange zest, I'll just zest that directly over the plate. So all of those gorgeous little strands just fall down just like rain. Now I'll cut that orange in half and in quarters, and I just want to squeeze just the smallest amount of the juice because you don't want to add too much. It's still a citrus and it will start to cook the salmon. We want to keep it raw. Perfect. Now we need to season it so all those gorgeous flavours come out. Just some sea salt flakes and then some really good quality extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use this rich and robust one. It's got loads of flavour, peppery and grassy, perfect with a carpaccio just like this. To serve, some toasted bread, char-grilled bread on the side. That is the quickest little entree you could do, and the best thing about it, it's also very elegant. All your guests won't know that that took you moments to prepare.